Okay guys, so I have some very special announcements. No package got here. The Pwnyy merch / YouTube albums merch. So I'm gonna open it. I don't need scissors. This is unbox therapy. Let's go. Hey scissors, I need you. Here we go. I got scissors now. Let's hope I don't. Okay, I'm not gonna. Scissors, you suck. Can't even open it. They're made of tiny cut. Yeah, there we go. It's splitting now. Strength. Woo! I see it. Smells like a clothing store. Like it should. Oh, this is soft. This is soft. I got mine in blue. And here is the moment of truth. It's a pony! It's adorable. Ghosts are moving. It's adorable. It's adorable. I will cuddle with this. It's soft. It's so soft. It's got a hood too. Yay, there's another smell next to one at the clothing store. I'm not sure what it is. Maybe it's the vacuum seal. This looks epic. I'm gonna put this on right now. If I can even. I don't care what my hair looks like when my head comes out. I just want to wear this. Hey, it's pretty good. It's so soft inside of it. And it's adorable. It's just the right size too. Look at this. I almost fell. Look at this. Maybe I need to stand up on a chair. This is dangerous. Don't try this at home. Look how good this is. I'm standing on a chair. Never thought I'd be this tall, but okay. Pwnyy merch. It's got little thingies. Not sure what they're called. This is snug as a bug. You outdid yourself, YouTube battles. Don't try that too. That hurt. So this is super soft. Feels warmer than my other jacket. Feels warmer than this one, the wolf jacket. Who needs wolves when you got Pwnyy? It's epic. Oh, sorry, I punched you, Pwnyy. I didn't hurt. Pop up on the computer. Show me that. So anyway, this is epic. There, looks just like the Pwnyy should. I'm just gonna tuck this in so you can see. Just like a pony should look. Now I can pet you. Anyway, thank you to Ballas for making this. You made this really fast too. It only took like 45 minutes. How? Or did you already have it planned? And I also got a free bag. So this is good. Not gonna make this video too long. Because I'm tired. I just got back from home like not that long ago. 3 hours maybe. And I walk home. It takes 30 minutes. Anyway, but no. Anyway, thank you guys for watching YouTube battles. I'd be really grateful if you watched this so you could hear my review on it, because you did a very good job on your merchandise. And anyway, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to share some love to YouTube battles as well. Subscribe, because he is amazing.